KICKASSETS. Cha-ching. We almost drove off the edge there.
Did not.
That was close. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh,
down.
yeah. Yeah. So yeah, like a roof you can fix it, but the problem with a leaky roof is that it causes other damage and mold to the house. So it depends on how long it's leaking and stuff. But it's a cost.
It's the cost.
Like it's still $10,000 or $15,000 to fix, right? Depending how big it is or more.
Yeah.
It's the most expensive. That and the outside of the house is the most expensive part to fix when renovating. But that place had, yeah, the kitchen was it was high grade. It was traditional plus upgraded kitchen and a very good condition central bathroom. So these are things that you can't. It's hard to buy that stuff
for sure.
Especially with that izuishi.
It's like a true traditional Japanese home.
Yeah.
With the Japanese garden.
Yeah.
We're off to a very good start.
Oh, we are definitely. Yeah, but like I said, when I give 5 stars, I can still nitpick, but I'm not. It means it went over my threshold of like, okay, this is a gem. You know, it's like you can't judge every little thing because that house doesn't exist. Even a brand new house, like like a brand new house, you can't change the surroundings. So that has stuff that you just can't fix. So yeah, it's more than 5 because the house itself. If I didn't have that ocean view and all that stuff, I'd grade it at a 4.5-ish. But the garden bumps it up to 5, and then the ocean view stuff make it up to like more. Because there's just no negatives. Negatives are just nitpicking.
Yeah.
Like there's nothing like, oh, ooh, I don't like that.
And so I'm also seeing like what the drive is like back down to the coast. It's pretty good. It's not a hard drive.
No, that's something you don't know until you actually get to it, right? That'd be funny if that's the first one you like. You don't know. There's gonna be some amazing properties as we go along here. Have I had anybody get the first one? Yes, I have. My first client. Mine. It has happened. Usually it's more fun when you get to the end and it's usually to the end of properties, but then again I said the number when I'm viewing them.
Don't say anything.
I'm not saying anything. It's gonna be insane. Like, okay guys, what's your favorite out of the 15,000 properties we looked at? Order them, please. Okay, you see how he stopped right there?
Yeah.
Oh, not a train, but an ambulance.
The train and the ambulance.
Yeah, so we got a triple stop. He's got to stop, but stop. That's weird. The ambulance is like, should I stop or not? It's an emergency. Okay, you got to stop. You got to stop. Okay, now you can go. Yeah. All right, here we are. We're off to look at property number 2. So the last property, there's room for negotiations. I feel talking to him, so as well, which is always good. This next property is already dirt cheap, so yeah.
I'm super excited to see it.
Yeah, it's the cheapest one. Could go. Oh, we're right at the ocean, folks. Make sure you make the light. We don't want to lose him. Do you remember what his car looked like? Just kidding. I know it's nice. Wow. Here we are at the ocean, folks. Welcome to Izu. Started to show off with a banger for our first property. So we got a bunch more to see. So enjoy the show. And if you don't see these videos, that means we didn't make it back.
How much is it to put in new tatami mats?
New tatami mats? It's about $100 a tatami mat.
$100 a mat?
Something like that. I mean, prices have gone up, so some places charge you $50 to $100 just to change the top layer, and then maybe $100 to $150 to change the entire mat. So it's actually pretty reasonable. Like to get an actual brand new mat. It really depends on the condition of the inside. Sometimes you just have to change the top layer. So, but the mats in the house were in bad condition? Okay. Yeah, nothing stuck out to me like, oh, that needs to be done.
Yeah, I mean, it was all.
It just needs to be clean and organized.
Like move.
It's moving ready. Yeah, it's move the stuff out, move in.
There was just one air conditioner heater unit.
Yeah.
In that living room.
You install that stuff. Yeah, it looked like they were using gas heaters actually.
How much is an air conditioning unit? An air conditioning unit is also a heater unit.
Yeah, that's both. Yeah, that's both. About $1,000.
$1,000?
Yeah, it's cheap. Like it depends on what size you get, brand, all this stuff.
Yeah, but roughly.
Like I mean, if you go to a store, it might cost you more, a little bit more. But when I order online, I usually pay just under $1,000 for the unit, and then maybe a couple $100 to get it installed. So it really depends. Yeah, it's very reasonable.
Not too bad.
No, it's not too bad. If you did the same thing in Canada, like my friend recently did it, he got 5 units installed for like $25,000. So
why I was comparing everything to Canada?
because it's the same fucking product, but yet why does it cost 5 times the money to do in another country? Especially when the brands they're using are from Japan. It's just stupid. it's not fair. It's a ripoff. You know, it should be more reasonably priced.
Yeah.
They're just taking advantage of the system.
Well, in America, we don't usually install those unit ACs.
You should.
Homes typically do HVAC.
Yeah. But the point is that those machines don't cost that much to buy, and the skill to put them in, you need a skill, but it doesn't cost that much, take that much to put them in. I've seen people do it. It takes a couple hours to put one in. You know, $200. Why are they charging you thousands of dollars in America to do that? It's insane. It's just overkill. So, I mean, obviously people want it done, so they're going to pay for it, but...
I haven't gone to Marine Town yet, but it's supposed to be a...
I've been there.
I've been here before. Pit stop.
Huh?
It's supposed to be a nice little pit stop.
Just play, yeah. I mean, it's fine. Well, we can't. We're following somebody right now.
No,
okay.
not that I know.
Yeah, I can't remember.
You didn't find it that interesting?
I can't remember. It's been like 15, 20 years ago I've been there.
Oh my gosh.
It's insane to say that for me. There it is. Yeah, they're renovating it. I guess they're painting it. Yeah, I don't remember the last time I've been to Izu was... Okay, I came down to visit the house maybe 5 years ago. Before that, actually on a vacation. 7 years ago. But I used to come, not a lot, but at least once every couple of years. And we'd go to like a different place every time, Saitama or Kogan or Shimoda, sometimes twice a year. Because there's so many places to visit. And like I said, if you're riding a bike or a scooter down these roads, it's priceless.
Do you ride a regular bike or an e-bike?
In between. Because e-bike to you means that's against
like
that's a throttle. But here the e-bikes don't have that. They're pedal assist. They're called e-bikes, but they're pedal assist bikes, which means they only assist you, they're great. I can't ride a normal bike now after riding that.
Did you say that the throttle bikes are illegal?
Well, you need a license, is what I mean.
Oh.
Like they that's called a scooter. So, the point is, if you couldn't get that, yeah, I guess. I mean, it'd be cool to have one. But I mean, the pedal assist bikes are great. Like
the throttle is nice for like true steep hills.
Yeah, to get up.
Yeah.
The e-bike does help a lot with that, though.
You know, it was raining all morning.
Was it?
Yeah, it was nice. It wasn't like terrible rain,
okay.
but...
I'm Hare Otoko, that's why it's getting this Hare Otoko. It means sunny boy.
Yeah, it's nice.
Hare Otoko.
Hare Otoko.
It's a Japanese term, means sunny boy.
Sunny boy?
Yeah, it means you attract the sun. I'm going to teach you a lot of Japanese today.
Thank you for bringing this up.
You're welcome. I don't know how long it's going to last, though. Depends how nice you are to me.
I was thinking that it's better if it rains for us, looking at the homes. Less customers.
I see.
I keep doing that.
Well, not only you guys gonna get to see houses on this, but you're gonna get to see a lot of views. Ito Station. All right.
I did start by this morning.
I've been here before.
This is a nice station, and it like opens up to malls or like outdoor shopping areas.
You sure you're not talking about Tommy?
No, Tommy has that too, but it does here too.
I remember that.
Come, let me show you around Izu.
Sure. There's that little place you can rest your feet in the water here I hung out. There's some of the areas you have like nice walkways along these little canals. There's hotels on each side too.
It's a nice street.
Yeah.
Very nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is my first time in downtown Ito.
Ito. That's my Japanese best.
Huh?
It was my first Japanese friend's last name, Ito. In elementary school. It's a sign.
It's a sign. Good sign.
You were here when?
No, this is my first time in downtown Ito because I spent all morning going into nooks and crannies.
Oh, okay,
so I didn't get to drive through the downtown because I was going into the neighborhoods.
But you've been to Izu itself before, you said?
I've been to Izu and in the northern part of Ito, not in the downtown.
Okay. I see. Yeah, there's life here.
I read that it was like a population of 65,000 people, which is like a pretty decent size.
Yeah.
This is like, I don't know where we're going.
Neither do I.
I don't have my maps turned on, so I can't see.
I see.
What are?
Yeah, you set up maps, but it's okay.
Okay, I know where we're going.
I'll set the map later on my phone too. Or you? Oh, we got double, so I'll send it to you each time we're ready to go. You're prepared. Okay, eventually we'll make it there before my battery dies.
The first one was deep inside Usami, but now we're deep inside Ito.
Oh, yes.
Location-wise, I prefer being in this like Itoshi.
Yeah, I agree. If it wasn't for that view, that's like I can get anywhere I need, so that's not an issue.
True.
But yeah, but if the houses were equal, yeah, I would probably choose this area. It's not to say we don't know what we're gonna get here. Maybe the same views and mountains are impossible. That nook we found there was just what it is. Just lucky. Oh, we're parking here, it seems. Okay. Thank you for the gifts. Cheerios. Haven't had those in a while. And Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups, assuming they don't melt. Bite size. These things are addicting. Wow. They used to sell these here for maybe a couple years, and then they stopped. I guess they weren't popular. Probably find them somewhere.
Sweet for the Japanese
yeah, they're
people.
too sweet. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate that. You made my 35 minutes. Thank you. That's lunch. Hey, Daiso. All right, here we are off to see house number 2. We've arrived. Took us 30 minutes to drive here from the other house. Okay. Decent sized road here. Quiet neighborhood. Nice variety of nature. Very fresh air. A variety of different conditioned houses. Some are a little run down. Okay. Takibin desu. Okay, thank God. I'm glad that wasn't the house. Looked like the roof was caving in on that house. All right. Sorry if it's a little bumpy here, choppy. Yeah, I'll get a gimbal sometime. Trying to figure this out here as we walk along this beautiful street. It's a quiet, cozy neighborhood. I don't like those houses. That probably is an empty house. Don't like how houses balance on those beams. It's so intimidating. Timber as your house rolls down the hill. No thanks. Waste of space too. Oh wow. I wish that was a house. That's that's beautiful. Wow, looks expensive. 2 parking. Okay. So one bonus of this house right away is that the house next door looks gorgeous. Yes. Parking right there. All right. Ojamashimashima, number 2. Okay, these are Tsunakabe walls. Can't. Huh, maybe it's wallpaper version. Okay, this place has been closed for a long time. I could smell it. Comes with an aircon. Well, night and day difference from house number 1. But it's very cheap. I think this house is going for 5.5 million yen. So you can put a lot of money into the renovations to make up for that $100,000 loss. But, oh, the floor here is sloped. Okay, right about there. Floor is sloped over there. That needs to be repaired.
I'm done looking. I'm gonna just walk around the outside of the house.
Okay.
You can tell him he doesn't need to open all the shutters.
Okay, this old style bathroom. 全部開ける必要ないんですよ。そう。あれ。全然違うんですね、物件が。そうですね。These rooms are in good shape. Oh, looks like they're actually painted. Yeah, I tried that on my first wall, painting the Tsunakabe walls. I prefer changing the wallpaper because it still has that older look to it. Doesn't look as sharp. I mean, it still looks better than if it was nothing, but I just, yeah. Oh. Interesting. I was thinking about doing that. One of my houses to access the ceiling or roof when you have a leaky roof.
I'm done.
I know you're. Oh, you're done already?
Yeah.
That's pretty quick.
Yeah.
She's really quick. It takes her 5 minutes to look at a house.
Yeah. I've looked at thousands, maybe tens of thousands of homes. So.
Okay. Great. So
This front door view is amazing.
It is. So if she spends 5.5 minutes or 6 minutes on a house, means she might like it.
No, I could like a house within 10 seconds.
Okay. Yeah. That view is really nice. No ocean view, but it's nice. It's got half. Hanbu. これ2階ないんですね。これ1階しかないですね。Alright, it's a bungalow, my friends. It's a bungalow. Yeah, the property for the price is pretty good. I mean, you can't compare the properties. Obviously, the first property we looked at is way better than this, but it's an extra $100,000. So.
Is this house rebuildable?
You mean from scratch? Like tear it down or build a new house?
Maybe not tear it down, but you can renovate as much as you want.
Yeah, of course. これ新築できるんですよね、新しい家とか。この土地ってまあ新築できるんですよね、新しい家とか作れるんですか？もちろん。はい。Of course. Yeah, I didn't see any reason why you wouldn't be able to. It's rebuildable. I think all the houses we're seeing too are rebuildable, so could be wrong though. Okay.
As long as it's accessible too.
That view is really nice.
Really nice.
It's amazing that you get a view like this so close to Tokyo. It's insane.
It is, right?
Yeah, it's just not. Yeah.
No buildings.
No.
Yeah.
Anywhere else in the world, I just can't see that happening. It's very tough, especially in this price range.
景色はもう最高ですね。
All right. お疲れ様です。今日。ありがとうございました。See you, house number 2.
物件はどうでしたか？
A little space in the outside of the house here, but not much.
This one said that
Not much to grow back here, so. Yeah. No. What a waste of space that is. That's too bad.
the plot is pretty tight.
Yeah, it's pretty tight.
Yeah. I think I thought that the plot was bigger because
Yeah.
I didn't have a good grasp of what the 300 square meters is.
Yeah, it's quite tight. And some of it's wasted on hill. Like the behind the house is a total waste of space.
Yeah.
Like you can push it back and have more of a yard, right? So.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Right.
Will she buy house number 2? We'll find out. What's that evil laugh?
On House Hunters International.
Yeah, that's correct. I do love. It's got a great neighbor. I can tell you that. こっちじゃないんですかこの物件。
こっちじゃないんですよ。
嘘。ありがとうございます。はい。